Hi, I'm Conrad Mast, Installation Support Director here at ProVia. In this video, we'd like to take a look at installing the Mullion assembly on the Three-Lite center active vinyl patio door. And with that, let's get started. The tools you'll need will be a drill with a Phillips and a Quadrex bit that's included with the pack, a pencil, a 7/64 inch drill bit, the screw pack number 7 from the installation kit, and a pair of safety glasses. Installing the interlock rail comes at a time after all the sashes are installed, everything's squared up. The interlock rail of the active sash should be parallel with the interlock rail of the stationary sash. Next, remove the 4 factory installed screws from the Mullion assembly. Then remove the Mullion from the interlock rail. Set aside the screws to use when reattaching the Mullion at a later procedure. Place the Three-Lite shims from the installation pack 7 on the face of the interlock rail at each factory pre-drilled screw hole location. The purpose of this shim is to prevent the interlock rail from twisting when the installation screws are installed. If you're working with an Arras patio door, the shims look different and apply different, but they serve the same purpose. From the interior of the home, slide the interlock rail onto the top and bottom anchor blocks while engaging the exterior fixed sash interlock. Next, place the H-Mullion onto the interlock rail, close the active sash into the pocket of the H-Mullion. Check for proper fit and spacing at both ends of the active sash by adjusting the active sash and the Mullion assembly until centered between the fixed sashes. Just a quick tip, use a pencil to lightly mark the location of the interlock rail on the frame at the top and bottom. Next, open the active sash and remove the H-Mullion from the Mullion assembly. Holding the interlock rail in place, pre-drill a 7/64 inch pilot hole at the factory prepped screw hole locations on the inside face at the top and the bottom of the interlock rail. From the installation pack number 7, install 2 number 8 by 1 inch Phillips flathead screws to secure the interlock rail to the anchor blocks. Next, secure the interlock rail to the fixed sash rail by installing 4 number 8 by 2 3/4 Phillips flathead screws from the installation pack into the pre-drilled holes. These screws will be concealed by the H-Mullion. Replace the H-Mullion and secure with the previously removed screws. Just a quick note, if the H-Mullion requires a slight vertical adjustment, use an appropriate drill bit size to create elongated slots at each screw hole location in the H-Mullion. This will allow you to center the H-Mullion between the header and the threshold. Finally, use the snap-on screw caps to cover the previously installed anchor block screws at the top and bottom of the interlock rail. For more information, call 1-800-669-4711.